Every second, our sun emits more energy than humanity has used in its entire history. Most of that power, 99% of it, simply radiates away into the cold, empty void. By the year 3000, Earth was no longer enough. To power our digital minds and interstellar fleets, we didn't just need a new planet. We needed the power of a star. This was the birth of the most ambitious project in the history of life, the construction of a Dyson swarm. It began with a single satellite, then 1,000, then 1,000,000,000. A cage of mirrors and silicon designed to trap the very fire of the gods. But to build it, we had to do the unthinkable. We had to dismantle an entire planet. As the centuries passed, the project evolved from a ring into a swarm. Trillions of independent mirrors, each larger than a city, now dance in a precise orbital ballet. This is a Dyson swarm. From Earth, the sun no longer looks like a perfect circle. It is flickering, dimmed by the sheer density of our technology. We are now a Type 2 civilization on the Kardashev scale, commanding the total energy output of our star. But this power came with a price. To build this mirror sea, Mercury and Venus have been ground into dust, their minerals repurposed into solar collectors. The inner solar system is gone, replaced by a shell of gold and glass. We have become the architects of the heavens, but we have left our childhood home behind forever. To build a Dyson sphere, minerals from planets aren't enough. We need the heart of the star itself. This is stellar lifting. By using powerful magnetic fields, we create massive tornadoes of plasma, sucking raw hydrogen and helium out of the sun's outer layers. We are no longer just orbiting the fire, we are harvesting it. This material is fed into giant orbital foundries, factories the size of continents, where it is fused into the heavy metals needed for our ever-growing swarm. We are slowly draining the sun to build its own cage. The star is being shaped by our will. As the Dyson project neared completion, it was no longer just an energy plant. It became our new home. On the inside of these trillions of mirrors, we built landscapes. Because the mirrors are always facing the sun, they are bathed in eternal midday light. We created stellar habitats, continents of glass and steel floating in a golden sky. In these habitats, gravity is simulated by rotation, and weather is controlled by algorithms. We have moved from a planet-dwelling species to a star-dwelling one. We no longer look up at the sun, we live inside it. This is the ultimate peak of the Kardashev Type 2 civilization. But as we look out through the gaps in our shell, we realize the galaxy is much darker than we thought. With the sphere complete, our sun has vanished from the galactic map. To an outside observer, we are a dark star, a ghost detectable only by the faint infrared heat leaking from our machine. We have reached the pinnacle of energy. But as our sensors peer into the deep void, a chilling realization sets in. The galaxy is full of stars, yet none of them are dark. If this is the natural path of evolution, where are the others? This is the Great Filter. Is the Dyson Sphere a monument to our success, or a tomb that hides us from a predatory universe? We have the power of a god, but we have never felt more alone. The Dyson Sphere was not the end. It was the battery for our next leap. With the energy of a star, we have begun to bend the laws of physics. Our first stellar engines are firing, moving our entire solar system through the galaxy like a ship. We are no longer waiting to find others. We are going to find them. Earth was a cradle. Proxima b was a colony. But the Dyson Sphere is our vessel. We are the Star Eaters, and the journey has only just begun. I am the Aethrel. Thank you for watching the future.